Hey guys, happy Monday. I just want to check in with you real quick and cover some things I talked about a little bit last Wednesday on Zoom. So first and foremost, Zoom on Wednesdays is required. You need to come to either my 10 a.m. or my noon session. Um, and if you can't because you're working or something else, just let me know ahead of time and we'll work something out, okay? So a couple of the things that I have put in Google Classroom. Remember, GC means Google Classroom if I'm texting you stuff to remind. Make sure that you are checking it. Make sure that you're looking at the stream where I'm putting some updates. And I've numbered all the stuff that I've put in there so you should be able to tell what's new. So 9, the material that says 9 bonus, oh, bonus lessons, that's what it says. Oh, bonus something. Bonus lessons. Those are basically the videos that I did last year for the material that you're doing in Edgenuity that we would be doing in class. There's a document in there that has the link to all of the videos, and they have like section numbers because there's also folders in there where the notes are the blank notes and the blank assignments if you want to do them. So whether or not you do them, that's totally up to you. Whether or not you watch the videos, it's totally up to you. But if you're struggling with anything in Edgenuity, that could help you. But also you could reach out to me if you're struggling with questions or concepts. Please reach out to me. I'm not doing little videos about what's going on in Edgenuity because everybody's in a different place and most of you haven't really been struggling with things overall. I feel like if I keep getting the same questions over and over again, then that, kind of constitutes something. But when they're different questions and just little struggles here and there, I would really much rather deal with those individually with you because I think that would be more helpful to you. And then the number 10 folder is Wednesday work. So what's in there is what I did in Zoom last Wednesday. Tomorrow, which is Tuesday, I will put in there the work for Wednesday. That way, if you want to print it out, you can. You don't have to. I do realize that some of you may not have access to a printer that works. I know mine works kind of when it wants to, and I understand that. I am going to do a lesson just like it would be in class. I'm going to be filling in the notes. If you cannot fill them in, you can at least write notes down like you've been doing with Edgenuity, whatever works for you. But this is a lesson that is not in Edgenuity that is introducing you to calculus. So you want to take the notes and possibly do some of the work that goes along with it. But it's all in there for you. But like I said, I'll put it in there tomorrow. That way you have time to get it printed out. And then 11 is the journal keywords. Okay, so those journal assignments that we've talked about a few times, that it may give you a 0 if you're just not using the words that they want you to use. But I put a file in there that has the keywords, so make sure you are using those words. So now that you know what those keywords are, I'm not going to be resetting everybody's journal just because you didn't use them. So make sure you're paying attention to that. And so those of you that are working, you're doing a great job. Most of you are doing very well in this. You're asking questions. Please keep asking questions. Some of you haven't done very much. I hope that means that you are working on some other courses. But if you're struggling, you need to reach out to me and let me know. If sending the pictures through Remind is an issue because of your phone or whatever, let me know. You can email them to me. That's fine too. Like, I will work with you. We will figure something out. I think that's the easiest for most people, but not everybody's the same. So just let me know. And remember that on Wednesday, I'm going to send you a remind in the morning that has a link in it for your Wednesday check-in. I will also put that Wednesday check-in in Google Classroom. It's the same one. So just fill it out just so that I know I've checked in with each one of you. And then I will see you Wednesday either at 10 a.m. or at noon on Zoom. Those links are in Google Classroom. Okay, remember, everything I'm doing is through Remind in Google Classroom. That's how I'm communicating with you the majority of the time. If you email me, then obviously I will email you back. We can talk on Zoom. I'm not really communicating through Edgenuity. There's not a huge communication piece there. But Google Classroom and Remind for sure. So make sure you're checking your Remind and make sure you're checking Google Classroom. And I will see y'all on Wednesday. Bye. Love you.